Today we are visiting the Cowdray Gatehouse, and it is number 11 on the UK's most haunted list. The original gatehouse was constructed in the 1500s, and since then it has been the site of many ghost sightings, from people hearing children laughing at night inside the gatehouse to a so-called grey lady what roams the grounds at night. I'm not 100%, but I'm guessing they all would have been built like that, raised off the ground in the first place to stop the wood at the bottom all rotting out. However, it could have just been plonked on those things to stop it rotting out where it's so old. But let's get round. You can see the old brickwork and the wood. Now I can't hear anything in there, so you can see inside here. Can you see any grey ladies in there, guys? Go up and show you the roof. Now let's take you guys around some of the grounds and show you the old Cowdray Castle ruin where it said the lady is supposed to roam at night. This is the Cowdray Castle ruin. Now, me and Pat did come up here a while ago and we done a spirit box around this ruin. However, nothing much really come through, so we never posted it because we thought it was a bit naff footage, guys. Now, we're going to see what comes through this spirit box tonight here next to the gatehouse, as we actually missed the gatehouse last time, and that's what we've come back for this time. Most of the castle itself, you can see the windows have been completely blown out here. Most of the floors and the levels on this castle have all actually come down and collapsed. Yeah. Your ghost man himself's going to appear in a minute around the corner. Look at that up there. Can you see on that? Up there, there's still actually a big metal spindle, like spear up there on top of that. What do you call that? Pillar. We'll call it a pillar. Look at this, and you can see now this section here, this is obviously just collapsed. You can see these old stairs that would have gone up into an area over there. See the stairs going up, but it's just completely crumbled away. That would have obviously been joined back in the day as well. So this is the far side of the ruin. I'm just going to walk you around nice and quick. Now look over here, we get a bit closer over here, guys. This is the front area of the ruin. As we rotate round, you'll see like the window panes and the bits and bobs. Hello, is there any spirits here with us today? Is Pat there? Pat is here.
I'm here.
House,
yeah.
Is there any spirits with us today available to talk to us?
Ooh.
Can you give us your name?
Apparently there's little kids that run around here at night.
Can you tell us anything about this gatehouse today? Old mill?
Did I just
Lucy.
say Old Mill?
Is Lucy the name of the lady in the grey dress? Are we welcome here today?
Oh, the light's gone up there, mate. 2K, flickered.
Is there anybody here from the Bohan family available to talk to us today? Help. You asked for help. How can we help you? Scary house.
Scary house, actually said. Hello.
I don't think this house is scary.
Behind.
Behind? Behind the house? We're currently behind the house. You said scary house. Why is this house scary?
Leave.
What happened at this house for it to be so scary? Is it possible to speak to the children who are heard laughing here?
That was one came through then.
It said me, didn't it?
Yeah.
Hello. My name is Leg. Can you tell me your name?
Definitely that is.
I'm going to walk around and have a look in the house. Am I welcome here? Well, thank you for coming through to us today. Pat, leave. That's it. Home.
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 Home, are you inside? Yeah.
So guys, we're just going to have a walk around while Pat's doing his spirit box. I'm going to give you a quick little pan round on this building here. And I said I would look inside while he's doing the spirit box, so let's just put you in here. Can anyone see anything in there?
Huh?
You see guys, there's like something's built there, like a platform or something's built in there. Can you see that? It's pretty cool, isn't it? This side. Right guys, I'm your host Leg. I hope you enjoyed that little episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button because we are still running a £100 giveaway for one of our lucky subscribers, but you've got to be in it to win it. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Peace!